This property might look familiar to you, as a few years ago it was at the center of an investigation and also a hostage situation after a family came from the United States of America visiting Jamaica and rented the property from the then pastor who was the current owner and still is the current owner even though he's deceased, Pastor Kevin Simit, and the family was held hostage by the pastor and he did not want to release them. This is some real chilling details I'm about to share with you. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. And if it's the first time you're watching, please do the golden rule. Subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back after this short break with the full details to come. You don't want to miss this. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. So the name Pastor Kevin Simit has been in the media for over 2 weeks now and still continues to make rounds on social media based on new revelation coming out each day and things that people are finding out that this pastor was a part of as the days goes by. A few years ago, a family came to Jamaica and stayed at this property and was actually held hostage by the pastor. And the family of Sabrina Fisher Reese, that's a motivational speaker, and her family visited Jamaica and they were actually held by the pastor inside the said property that we are currently seeing on screen right now. But I'm very sorry for that family that visited Jamaica and had that unpleasant encounter with the pastor and also other citizens who did not really give them that level of support that they needed during that difficult time. And it's very sad to see what transpired then and even leading up to now. I know that they must be left puzzled right now based on the revelation that came out from October 17 up until now. And to know that they were actually in the company of this individual on numerous occasions and would have had encounters with him, and then what transpired thereafter. But it's really an alarming situation and one that is really shocking. And I know that this family right now, they must be left puzzled based on the development that came out in the media this week with what happened at the church in Montego Bay, St. James as well, an investigation that is going on with the police, and then the subsequent accident of the pastor thereafter. So this is just an alarming situation and one that is puzzling to many, not only locally, but even on the international space as well. I tried personally to reach out to this female that had the encounter and her family here with the pastor, and hopefully she will get back to me so we can have a real insight into what really transpired here with the pastor and what his mood was like when they met him in Montego Bay, St. James. So the female actually did a video which I'm about to share with you as well. And also we're about just to update you with what she had to say happened as well. So we have so much to come in this report. But all I can say, what happened in Jamaica is very shocking and it's very alarming to see what was really happening inside the church with the people, the children, and everybody that was a part of that whole entire church congregation, and those individuals that lost their life innocently just because that pastor decided to sacrifice them. And there have been so much speculation going on online as it relates to insurance scam and so many things that the pastor could have been a part of. These are allegations, though, I must point that out, and none of these things have been proven yet by the police. And I know the police is still carrying out their investigation as well in order to ascertain more details behind this case. And we are really looking forward for more information to come, especially as it relates to what transpired at that church. An individual was taken into custody along with the pastor. As you know, the pastor met in an accident and passed away, and now that lone ranger will have to stand and face the full brunt of the law in answering the questions that will be posed by prosecutions and also just the general public as well, questions that really require some answer. And one question that many people are asking, was this the first time such a thing had happened? And that's a real chilling question as well that really requires some answer, as many people believe that this would not have been the first time that such a situation would have happened inside a church. And I can say I don't know what to even believe at this point in time, because this whole entire thing right now, it was just so alarming and puzzling to me up until this point, how it all unfolded and how it all ended as it relates to the pastor. So I'm about to update you with what this family had to say in relation to what happened while they stayed at the property that was owned by the pastor, Kevin Simit. And trust me, you don't want to miss this, coming up right now on Links 007 TV.
Miss, I don't have $1. I get it, but we paid you for the whole week. Yes, here, so where's that money? Because you're not going to cook for us. So
and you know, the sad only thing, the problem is, why we loved you already. We was like, you know, we was like, and you was just gonna leave us hanging, and it's not fair.
Hush, Miss Sabrina, hush. Hush, Miss Sabrina, hush. May I steal?
People inside.
Oh my God, this is against the law.
And we got it on
This is
video.
against the law.
We're not prisoners.
We paid for this. If we want to leave early, oh my God, they locked me and my family in this gate.
And wait till you see what happens with innocent.
We thought you was a good person. We thought you was a good person. They locked us in this house because can't believe this shit. Oh my God, talk about the biggest lawsuit. What's wrong with you? Who does that?
Hostage.
Ooh, y'all going to jail.
That's hostage.
Y'all going to jail.
You're supposed to be a cop.
Come on, come on, come on. Okay, wait. Oh, just wait. Okay, you got everything? Where's that? Where's this? This? Come on. We had to jump the gate. Ooh, you wrong though. You let Bishop lead you wrong. You sorry motherfucker. Can anything fit in here? Okay. Treat us like shit. Okay. I can't believe it.
I can take the other side.
Okay.
And y'all sure all of
Where's your?
stuff is out of there?
Yes. If you pack,
Who was in the room, right?
nothing. We packed all our shit. Let's go. Ooh.
That was the biggest mistake you ever made.
You supposed to know God better than that, sir. Ooh-wee. God gonna get you for following a wrong man. You wrong. Some water. Put this water in here. Okay. This all right, y'all.
The baby car seat.
Ooh, this motherfucker. I don't know how good you gonna sleep tonight. Put that in the back of Johnny up somehow. And all the way in the back. Toss it over that thing.
Toss it over in the back.
Ooh, you sorry motherfuckers. But you can't run our trip to Jamaica. We still had a great time, even though you devils, you demons. Ooh, so apparently this house was sold when it wasn't supposed to be rented to us. The new owner come here with some bullshit. Woo! Woo, they tried to lock us in the house. They turned the water off. But that's okay. We got out this motherfucker. Girl. Whew. We're at the police station. Can you believe that mess? Anything in the history of history. Okay, I'm coming.
Talk to the hour.
Oh my God, what kind of shit is this in Jamaica? Oh my God. In the police station here in Jamaica. Wow, okay. Okay, this is going to be really hard to believe. However, you would not believe what happened. And guess what? I'm still smiling. Oh, the most amazing, chaotic thing happened, and I'll explain it to you guys later. I'm in the police station here in Jamaica, a country that I do not think I will ever return to. No, I know I will never return here. I'm not coming back.
From the Curra Gardens police station. All right, I am of the knowledge that you recently purchased a home, and there's some issue with some guests there now. Yeah, say again? They are checked out and they are supposed to check out when? Wednesday. Okay. All right, where are you now?
Ask him, did he chain the gate?
You're where? You're at the house? All right, you want us to come to you or you'll come to the station because they are here.
Tell him did he chain us in the house?
They're here for what reason? They were chained inside the yard. They were locked, but with the gate was chained up with padlock and chain. It's locked in the night and in the day?
We asked to leave. Oh, no.
All right. Because I'm not hearing you so clearly, I'd rather to speak to you in person, whether you come to the station or I leave from the station and come up there and see you. Say again?
Can you believe this shit?
Huh?
I'm still cute though.
They are not paid. They have not paid.
He's lying. He's lying. Airbnb is paid for in advance. He's lying.
What is it?
I am not hearing you clearly and I'm not understanding you clearly. The phone, as well as your tone is very low.
Yankee Lee.
Huh?
One constable. Regulation number 10250. And
He said
They
we
did
didn't
not pay and they left behind your back? Okay. Alright, for us to deal with this matter, how would you wish, or do you wish for us to proceed with this matter here? They need to pay you what they have. I'm not hearing you, sir. I'm not hearing you clearly. So, all right, listen, let's not go with the discussion. I'd rather for us to speak in person with both parties, you and the complainants that are here. Say again? They're not allowed on your property.
This is our pregnant wall hopper.
Yeah. After they locked us in, they said we didn't pay. Now y'all know Airbnb have to be paid in advance. That's a lie. Ridiculous. And we have the proof in our phone.
And? No, but you're saying something, and it's as if you want to accuse me, accuse the police.
Oh, log on to their Wi-Fi right quick so you can get.
Okay.
Where's the guy?
So, I made a statement earlier about resolving the issue, not over the phone. Are you willing to come to the station, or I'm supposed to come there to you?
Do you have the password so she can pull up the proof? We need Wi-Fi in order to pull up the proof.
Okay, I can come to the property. All right, sir. All right, we'll be there.
We're back. Oh, that's not his vehicle, Louis.
What car?
Bishop's?
Somebody's, but either way.
That's the property manager. We got scared for a minute because
He got lost and
all
turned
of a
down
sudden
a
we
dark
got lost
road.
and we went down this dark
So we're
path.
right
And I'm
on
like,
this property
we're
when we
gonna
got
die.
locked out.
That's it, we're dead.
Yeah, but this had a big old chain on it. This is the fence we hopped in order to get out. That's why all the bushes
He
is.
stood there
8 people,
videotaping us,
8 people
moving
in
our stuff
16
over the wall.
suitcases. It's ridiculous. Yeah. Oh yeah, we dropped the water. Oh, now the chain is off the gate.
No, he was
Very, very nice to meet you, Mr. Anderson. We got some report from these guests. I believe they were staying here earlier, saying that your chain them on the inside. So what was the reason for that? Well, I am not one who is responsible for the premises. Mr. Smith? Yes, His Excellency Dr. Kevin Smith is on the inside. We're asking you to, if you can grace him with your presence, your officers, because we cannot, he doesn't want the altercation, the quarreling back and forth. So I asked the officers to come on the property and you can hear his side.
In other words, he doesn't want
No,
us
no.
all to talk.
No. He's the one that told me that we could not leave.
No, he's basically saying he doesn't want us to be present while he talks. Why would that be except dishonest?
So that was the family that was staying at the property said to be owned by Dr. Kevin Smith, and they just recount their experience of what they had to endure at the hands of this pastor. But all I can say, what happened to this family was very sad, and it was very unfortunate that they had to went through such challenging things. But I can tell you, this pastor, wow, words cannot even begin to explain what he did to the people of his church and how he manipulated them. And can you just imagine the other things that he might have done that would have gone unnoticed over his reign while he was in Jamaica? But I'll continue to provide it more information to come, and many more stories are out there that I will be following up on as well. But thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV, and thanks as well to everyone that continue to support the movement of this channel. Have a blessed and productive day. Peace out and bless.